It is January 25th, 2016. We took on the deck. I'm too lazy to go outside, but we destroyed it, so now we can open the door. And Ringo loves it, because then he can play. Or maybe not. But the snow is still really high, even though it's starting to melt from the bright, bright sun. Oh, guys. We haven't had anybody shovel our, or not shovel, but plow our roads yet. But we had some kids next door. They shoveled our driveway for us, which is very nice. What do you think, Ring Ring? You gonna go into fresh snow? Oh, he's gonna do it. Do it, Ringo, do it. Go. Go, Ringo, go. He's like, I don't know, yo. Whoa. But yeah, it's melting. Just maybe only 3 or 4 years instead of 4 or 5 years, all this will melt. Well, this is exciting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.